Thorny Mountain Fire Tower, established 1935, elevation 3,458 feet. CCC is Civilian Conservation Corps, Camp Seneca. You can rent this from May 1st, I believe, until maybe November. I think it's $100 a night. Old fire tower that they turned into a place you could rent here at the Seneca State Forest. You could drive right up to it. Now, when it's in operation as far as rentals, you have to park near at the bottom, maybe about a 100-foot walk. And if it's rented, you can't come up here. But I stopped at the office to let them know about drone flying. They didn't know of any restrictions, as well as coming up here. She said they don't rent it till May 1st. So we'll go take a quick look. Wow, these are fairly steep steps going up here. Unfortunately, the observation deck up there is locked, so I won't be able to get up there. Nice sunny cold day. 30, supposed to get up to about 50. So there's 3 flights of steps. 20 steps on each flight. It looks like about 8-inch risers. It's interesting, these stairs are on the outside of the tower. A lot of fire towers, the stairs are internal, lead up. Spillway here at Seneca Lake. Lake's iced over still. The day before spring. This is the entrance to the spillway. It's probably only 200 feet wide at its widest spot. I think it goes back about 4/10 of a mile. There's no one in this park, Seneca State Forest, Seneca State Park. Fishing area, you can take a little boat out here if you wanted to. it.